In 1905, Einstein published a series of papers that would redefine physics forever. One of those led to special relativity. It replaced Newton's old ideas of space and time and predicted that mass is just confined energy, which led the groundwork for particle accelerators, helped understand how stars shine, and helped humanity harness nuclear power. But there was a problem. Special relativity and Newton's law of gravity were incompatible. But why? Well, Einstein says, according to special relativity, no information can travel faster than light. But Newton's gravity is instantaneous. So if the sun were to disappear, then the gravitational force on Earth would instantly be zero and it would immediately feel the change. This violates special relativity. Okay, Einstein, but can't we just modify Newton's laws to fit special relativity? And Einstein says he thought that too until he had the happiest thought of his life, imagining a man falling to his death. When you're in an airplane and that airplane is taking off, it accelerates forward. You feel pressed backwards, right? Similarly, when you're in a car taking a turn, you accelerate inwards, but you get thrown outwards, which means every time you accelerate in a particular direction, you feel a jolt in the opposite direction, right? And I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, now he asks, Mahesh, but what about when you're falling? Because when you're falling, according to Newton, you are accelerating down at 9.8 meters per second square. But Mahesh, do you feel it? Like in the other cases, even here, do you feel a jolt in the opposite direction? I remember skydiving a few years ago in Switzerland. It was honestly pretty amazing experience. But when I jumped, the moment I jumped from the plane, I felt nothing. No jolts. Totally weightless for a few seconds until the air started pushing. And by the way, this is also the reason why I puked later on because of the zero G. But the point is, no, Einstein, I didn't feel a jolt, so I don't think you feel a jolt when you're falling. And Einstein asks, why not? I mean, you are accelerating down, so why don't you feel an opposite jolt like we feel in the other cases? And I'm like, wait, I know the answer to this.